I've analyzed the work of hundreds of AI developers and found that 99% of them make critical mistakes, stopping them from ever making $1 million in profit per year. The first mistake is that they believe making this amount of money is impossible or even fraudulent. However, I know of highly successful AI professionals who are making at least $1.5 million a year. So what has happened? How come we're already doing an interview so soon?
So we basically scaled to 150K in revenue per month.
It isn't easy and you'll need to develop your skills, but if others can do it, you can too. The second mistake is working as an AI developer in a job or as a freelancer. While you can earn $150,000 a year this way, business owners who sell their AI team's output can make much more because they have more leverage. For example, you can bring on 20, 30, or even 40 team members as a business owner selling AI services. Your team members will make their salaries while you continue to scale your profits as the business owner. Basically, once you're able to get your own developers and clients, you'll never want to sell your own time ever again. Third mistake is learning in-demand skills as a developer, then selling it cheap as if you're an employee. For example, you learn how to solve ultra-complex machine learning problems and then work for a pittance as a freelancer. Your work and your team's work needs to be sold at a premium, preferably with a retainer pricing model. But how can you charge high rates and get projects worth $50,000 or more? The key lies in generating leads and learning sales techniques. Job interviews won't be your tickets to these high-paying projects. Instead, you need to establish a consistent stream of qualified leads and develop an effective sales process. And by the way, sales does not mean convincing people to buy your stuff. Sales is helping clients determine if they want to work with you and help you determine if you want to work with them so that you have a good collaboration, good long-term partnership. It's not convincing people and using tricks to get them to sign a document. That's not sales at all. Basically, to achieve $1 million income, you need to close one lucrative sale every 7.3 days on average. This means speaking to 4 qualified leads every week and maintaining a close rate on the phone of 25%. Rather than selling your technical skills, sell the solutions and outcomes your team can provide for your clients. The fourth mistake is trying to focus equally on speed, cost, and quality. You'll never achieve all three simultaneously. Instead, prioritize one of these elements to become an industry leader. For example, if you concentrate on delivering exceptional quality, it will likely be more expensive and time-consuming. On the other hand, if you focus on cost, you might rely on templates and generic solutions, which won't provide a fully customized experience for your clients. Remember, clients care about solving their business problems effectively and efficiently. They are less concerned with the specific methods of complexity of the technology you're using. So it's crucial to find a balance between delivering the desired outcome and keeping the project manageable, both in terms of time and budget. As a successful AI developer looking to make $1 million in profit per year, keeping an eye on the bigger picture is crucial. It's not about obsessing over a specific technology, but about understanding how that technology solves that client's problems. Building a business and leading a team requires wearing multiple hats and having a broad perspective. So how can you use this knowledge to scale your AI development business and make over $1 million a year in profit? In the description below, you'll find a link to a video that dives deep into implementing these strategies. Click the link below and let's explore how you can attract and serve high-paying clients. Now that you're ready to transfer your AI development business into $1 million a year venture, let's continue exploring more strategies and methods to help you achieve this success. The fifth mistake is failing to adapt to emerging markets and niches. While specializing in specific AI technology is essential, you must also remain agile and open to new opportunities. Keep up with the industry trends like OpenAI releasing plugins or accepting plugin beta testers, and pivot when profitable niches or markets emerge. By continuously offering cutting-edge services, you'll distinguish yourself from the competition and be positioned to charge premium rates in a blue ocean market. This while the AI market becomes commoditized over the next few years. Basically, you're either going to be in the top few percent of service providers, or you're going to be a cheap service provider that doesn't really make a lot of money or a good profit margin. The sixth mistake is neglecting communication and relationship building. Building a sustainable pipeline of high-paying clients requires more than just technical prowess. You must also forge long lasting partnerships with clients. So excellent communication skills, transparent processes, and positive customer experiences will contribute to strong client relationships and repeat business. Without client relationships, your customer lifetime value will suffer, and you won't benefit from the number one easiest way to get leads, namely referrals. The seventh mistake is failing to systematize your business operations. To scale your AI development business, you must implement standard operating procedures, SOPs, and automated processes. This approach will not only help you maintain a consistent quality in your offerings, but also it'll make it easier for your AI development team to onboard new members because people leave, you need to replace them, and so on. And it'll be easier to manage projects efficiently. Mistake number 8 is underestimating the power of marketing and branding. Once you are established, in the beginning you don't really need that stuff. A strong brand will distinguish you from the competition once you have enough proof, once you're established and you've exhausted your basic lead generation processes. Basically, you'll be establishing trust with potential clients based on your prior proof, which is invaluable because you'll have a steady flow of referrals and people who trust you before you even talk to them. You need to invest time and resources in building your brand presence online, creating valuable content that showcases your expertise. Have you ever met someone who's number one in their market who doesn't create content? It's ridiculous, right? And then engaging with your target audience on various platforms. The 9th mistake is neglecting collaboration and outsourcing. To scale your business effectively, you should be open to collaboration with other professionals, freelancers, and companies. This approach will help you meet the increasing demand of your clients without stretching your resources. Basically, you need to collaborate with professionals in related fields on shared projects and outsource tasks that are not within your core expertise, like marketing or web design. Another form of collaboration is white labeling, either offering white labeling or using white labeling. The 10th mistake is ignoring the importance of continued professional development. Stay ahead of the curve by investing in your own education and your team's training. You're not gonna get good quality, well-paid team members that don't overcharge unless you train them. Basically, you need to attend industry conferences, participate in workshops because you're supposed to be the leader of your company, study new programming languages when necessary, and collaborate with other AI developers to learn about innovative solutions. With these strategies in hand, you're now equipped to overcome the most common obstacles that prevent AI developers from making $1 million in profit per year. Focus on building a strong foundation for your AI development business, stay ahead of the current industry trends, and create long-lasting client relationships. And then you refine your processes to scale your agency effectively. And maybe then build new types of product businesses with your clients. Remember that success takes time, dedication, and an unyielding commitment to growth for several years, probably up to 10 years. By learning from those who came before you and avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be well on your way to reaching and surpassing your income goals. So get started today and make your mark as an exceptional AI developer or agency owner by offering sought-after services that your clients currently crave. To help you take these concepts and apply them to your AI development business, click on the link in the description to access a comprehensive guide and additional resources. You can also check out businessmentor.com to learn from established AI developers and agency